Hello guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa may West Covina Mall. Pinakain ko yung mga bata. Okay. Tignan nyo to si Herbert. Kulang yata yung pagkain. Okay, balik na rin natin to. Ay, di ko naabutan. Box na lang. Wala nang pagkain. Box na lang. Wala na rin siyang inumin. Baso na lang.
I like all the sauce out of this thing. Can you pour it
sige.
even in there for me? I'm really thirsty. Like if you have any left.
Wala na,
Barely
Mike?
any, but I think I can do it.
That's refillable, is it?
But you
there's-
can try.
If there is barely any, then I could also just have the rest if you're fine with that.
But you don't have to because it's too sweet. It's too sweet, it's not good. Right? Yeah. Okay, we don't need the refill. Refill for the drinks. We don't need it.
I'm thirsty.
Too much sugar in the body is not good at all. Okay. So guys, ayan. Iinumin na lang nila
You
yung
can just have whatever.
baso. Iinumin ni Joy yung yellow. Tignan natin kung malunok niya ang yellow.
Try to keep the ice down.
Okay. Yan. Ininom na ang yellow, guys. Lunok. Joy, did you drink the ice?
Not yet.
Hindi
No, I did.
iniinom. Kakainin mo na